President Trump on Monday called Dr. Anthony Fauci, the country's highest-ranking infectious diseases expert who has been key in guiding the U.S.'s response to the coronavirus pandemic, a disaster, who he would fire if it wouldn't get so much negative press. "If I listened to him, we'd have 500,000 deaths," said Trump, later changing the number to 700,000 or 800,000. The U.S. has had over 219,000 COVID-19 deaths to date. The New York Times first reported that Trump was losing patience with Fauci in March. While Fauci advocated for more stringent protocols and restrictions to curb the spread of a disease he described as serious, Trump resisted these characterizations, seeking to publicly downplay the virus's severity. As the pandemic has raged on, with the U.S. still reporting an average of over 55,000 new cases per day this past week, over 7 months into the pandemic, the Trump administration has reportedly shifted focus from trying to squash case numbers. On Sunday morning, former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb said the White House's coronavirus strategy is to endure the spread until we get a vaccine. Nonetheless, Team Trump used a 30-second clip of Fauci in a recent campaign advertisement. In the clip, Fauci is heard saying, "I can't imagine that anybody could be doing more," which Fauci said was taken out of context. The way the ad went, where they quoted me at the end, it was certainly in the context that looked very much like a political endorsement, and I've assiduously avoided that for so many years, like decades, Fauci said, clarifying that his statement was referring to the White House coronavirus task force in the early days of the pandemic. Fauci says he's absolutely not surprised Trump contracted COVID-19, Forbes Trump's den of dissent. Inside the White House task force as coronavirus surges, The Washington Post, Trump has given unusual leeway to Fauci, but aides say he's losing his patience. The New York Times, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.